Odonjo weche mag ohala kama jagoro mongirore migawo mar pi Kiprono Rono ochiwo siem ne weg orak ma omi ting' mar gero kuonde pi kaka yawo kod mamoko.
Kano limo kaunti ma Machakos, Rono wacho ni biro chuno mondo migiket kum ne jorak ma digni kod tich mano matieko chenro mag pi ma omigi.
Okoni sirikal oketo maino e jiwo dongruok mag kuonde pi kendo gero yewni ka ranyisi en mano ma Singa.
In Machakos County. Asante sana.
Asifiwe tena is a great PS for water.
As we go across, we move across the country as Ministry of Water, we'll be inspecting and checking on those particular water programs. If we get a contractor who is also unnecessarily escalating the prices, or the work is done very poorly, and they keep on asking about variation, site contractors need to be blacklisted. Yes. This Masinga Dam needs to be upgraded. And we are putting money to upgrade Masinga Dam to provide 18,000 cubic meters, which is full capacity from the current 11,000 cubic meters. And then we bring quite an amount. We add the water quantity to Machakos County and then also to Kitui County.
This project is currently being operated by Kitwasko, which is a water service provider owned by the county government of Kitui. I humbly request the PS to facilitate the ongoing process of transferring operations of the intake from Kitwasko to Yatta Water and Sanitation Company, hence to be able to sell water in bulk to Kitwasko, or PS, you give them their own line and we have our own line.